Yellow Guts Pokeball here, and if you're probably wondering why I'm squatting like this, I'm actually going to be developing my smart gaming massage chair. Let's get it. The reason why I'm kind of standing up is obviously, if you heard in the title of the video and in the message in the video, I'm going to be finally developing my smart gaming massage chair, and this is basically going to be something that might be very useful to me, all because of the fact that I work out a lot. So I actually work out at Planet Fitness, and I do have the black card, so I have options to use like the Hydro massage, the regular massage, other types of stuff in there. But then I thought it's like, okay, what if I'm like so busy, or like Jake and I are like very busy that we can't even do the Hydro massage or the regular massage chair, and just be like, okay, let me make myself a makeshift massage chair while I'm like either like editing videos or streaming or even doing long gaming sessions and stuff like that. So I thought, okay, let's go ahead and make myself something, but I also wanted to add it to the smart features that are into my room. So I'm going to make myself a smart massage chair, basically. I just added gaming in there because it's a gaming chair. What the fuck do you expect? So I actually have another camera right over here, kind of just basically showing everything in terms of all the supplies. So here we actually have the actual massage pad over here, which is, I can't really buy that much massage stuff. And if this video actually does very well, there's a lot more massage products that I can add to this session. Like there's actually something, massage pad for your feet, something with water that actually like massages all your pores and feet and stuff like that. So this is basically would be a luxury massage piece of work. And how we're going to self-automate this is basically this smart plug right here. This one in particular is one of the TP-Link Casa smart plugs over here. I believe this particular thing is like what, like $13 or something like that. So not really that expensive whatsoever. And if we need a little bit more room, we might just use this little tiny extension cable over here if we need a little bit more room. Hopefully I don't really need that much room. I can just put it in the back of my freaking closet and then we'll just be good to go from right there. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here's the massage pad itself. So here we got the massage pad. So the cable is roughly a little bit short, so thankfully I did grab the extension cable. So it's kind of laying like that. So there's the, oh shit, that's actually really short. Okay, let me see if I can get this strapped on and see if I can get a better perspective of this. Okay, so we got the massage pad on here. So let me see if I can fit flat. I mean it fits fine. I think it got the majority of my area. I mean, I don't really need to go very, very low. I mean, we could probably adjust it somehow, but feel good right now. So let me add this other pillow that I have right here. Let me just add this. And we can kind of just keep it a little bit secure, like right here with this pillow. So yeah, that pillow right there. The pad is kind of floating a little bit. So now I gotta put myself in the perspective of this chair right here. So this is gonna have to go under my desk and into my closet. So let me see if I can give you guys a perspective of what I'm talking about. But here's the actual cable itself. So what we have to do is we basically gotta run this cable all the way down to my desk, and if you look very closely, there is actually a hole just randomly in my room. I've never understand why there's a random hole. I guess the people who used to live here kind of like create a box so that they can run all the wires to their TV or something like that. But basically that's what I'm going to be doing. I would run the cables to this power strip right there, but that also get very annoying because then there'll be like a random cable just sticking out there, and then, or it might not be that annoying. Move up all these shoes right here. Sorry for the cable management people, but let's see here. So cable, plug. No, that's gonna cause a problem. I don't know if you guys are getting this, but basically what I'm trying to figure out where to plug it in. I was originally going to try to put it into my desk, but the problem with that is if you look at the cable, my actual door is this way. So if I turn, I could potentially unplug this massage chair. So what I might have to do is I'm gonna have to do a little bit of cable management. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. So basically I can't do that situation because there is no absolute power in the closet. And obviously I can't wrap it on this side, but if you literally look at my room over here, so I never go into this area from my chair. So I'm thinking now, what if I just run the cable just perfectly around here. I want to see how much slack I have, and I'm going to have to plug it somewhere under here, somewhere in this weird power strip mess back over here. Because I would say like a dedicated outlet, but both of my outlets are being used. One of them for my computer and another one for that power strip up there. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a struggle right here. So, but then I also got to get this thing right here. I got to get that thing plugged in and all set up. So, wait a minute.
Check it.
That's a power strip right there. Josh, you are a fucking genius. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and set up everything. So now we're gonna go ahead and just open up the devices right over here. We're gonna go ahead and connect to it. We're gonna be installing a smart plug. So it's already plugged in, ready to go. Gonna be ready to get powered up. I might have to be right next to the plug or not. I'm hoping I don't have to really do it that much. So, okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and wait until the plug is connected. All right, check the Wi-Fi light. It is blinking blue and orange, which is great. Now I gotta go ahead and connect. Now we're just gonna sit here and just relax on our non-working massage chair. Gotta download the firmware update, you know, just to keep it all increase and modern and stuff like that. All right, full on completed. Now we can actually use it. So let me go ahead and plug it in right here. Now all we gotta do is we're just gonna go ahead and plug up this thing right here. So let's get that. Now, where is the switch? It is going to be right. It's in. Everything is fully powered on. Everything is kind of connected together now. All right, we got everything full on working. Now, let's go ahead and turn it on, which means I might have to press the button to turn it on and then just leave it like that for a while. So turn it on. Okay. Now, oh, it's already on. Ooh, yes, that feels amazing. Oh my, that is great. That is lovely, great. And I also found out with this button, you can change the intensities, if I can find the buttons. So there's that. So there's a calm intensity, and then there's a max intensity. And then I can choose to turn on the heat, which I'll play around with that. But here's the great part about this thing right here with this massage chair. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the Echo app. We're gonna go ahead and look for devices. It already recognized that we have the plug view right here. There we go, new device, powered on. So here's the cool thing what I'm about to do with this bitch right here. Alexa, massage chair off. It's off. You can even hear it turning off. Alexa, massage chair on. Now I have a massage chair that I can literally just tell it to go on and off. And if I wanted to, I can also leave the heat on if I wanted to, and then change the intensities. If only I had the capabilities of changing the intensities as well, like setting one of these buttons, but it only is basically an on and off switch. I could just be like normally editing and then just like having a good old massage right there on my back, which is going to be absolutely amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and also comment down below that you want to see more videos like this, because I'm always experimenting with smart tech. That's literally one of the things that I'm really passionate about, is the fact that I can make a lot of things smart. So if you guys want to see more of that, maybe even an ultimate smart massage chair, make sure to hit that like button. It's a little bit refreshing from the gaming videos that I currently would normally do, but if you guys really like this video right here, and if you guys can suggest me some stuff to make smart, just comment down below. So if you guys enjoy, that's pretty much it. Until then, go ball out.
Wait, spend a lot of money, but I make it back like I never left. Keep trying like strange, I'll never rest. Always on my grind, boy, yeah, I never rest. Don't wanna see me shine, boy, but I make a flex. In the megaplex, not even out of breath. Don't even break a sweat. Tell me who's pulling the strings.